Introducing Write on AI, the ultimate AI content writing tool that helps you write faster, better, and easier. Write on AI is powered by state-of-the-art artificial intelligence that can generate high-quality content in minutes based on your input and preferences. With Write on AI, you can choose from different AI templates for various types of content, such as social media, blog, SEO, marketing, writing, and more. You can also customize the tone, style, and length of your content, and get suggestions and feedback from the AI to improve your writing. But that's not all. Write on AI also has an AI image generator that can create stunning visuals to complement your content. You can use the AI image generator to generate logos, icons, illustrations, banners, and more with just a few clicks. And if you need some professional guidance, Revolutionizing has you covered. Revolutionizing offers a range of AI chatbots that can act as your personal coaches, mentors, tutors, and experts. You can chat with different chatbots. Let's see if you want to generate presentation. Just select the Presentation Maker chatbot to make presentation in the topic. You will get you presentation within a second. If you want to extend presentation, just say to chatbot your presentation is ready. Revolutionizing also has an AI code generator that can help you create and edit code for your projects. You can use the AI code generator to generate HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Python, and more with just a few keywords or examples. You can also modify and optimize your code with the help of the AI. Write on AI is not only useful for professionals, but also for students. It can help you with different academic purposes, such as writing essays, reports, summaries, presentations, and more. You can also use to learn new skills, languages, and subjects with the help of the AI tutors and mentors. Write on AI can make your learning experience more fun, easy, and effective. Write on AI is the ultimate AI content writing tool that can help you save time, money, and effort while creating amazing content that stands out. Whether you are a beginner or a professional, Revolutionizing can help you write faster, better, and easier. So what are you waiting for? Try Write on AI today and unleash your creativity with the power of AI. Write on AI is available for free for a limited time, so don't miss this opportunity. Visit writeonai.com and sign up now.